it's Chai and today we're gonna have another haul video. This is another thrift shopping haul video. I've already done one before, so if you haven't checked that out, check it out because I'm wearing one of the things that I bought in the last one. You can see it. If you can see it. It has lace here and it has lace on the back. It's really pretty. So anyways, check that out, and if after checking that out you're like, oh my gosh, this girl buys a lot of clothes, I just want to correct you by saying the clothes I have today are not just mine, but they're also my sister-in-law's. So we went out shopping together and I bought a bunch of clothes and I'm going to share them with you right now. So before I start, I want to say that these clothes again have been bought all from Lokhandwala Market. I will be going to Colaba and to Bandra soon. I haven't shopped in a while, so I'll be going shopping. I'll be taking you along mostly, so if you want that, leave in a comment below letting me know if I should do like a vlog to show you guys where I go shopping. Everything under here is 650 or less, so that is the advantage of this. Also in the end, I'm going to show you SSS, that is a Street Style Store website, which is a website I guess you guys must have seen before. I'm going to give you my review on it, so check that out as well. So the first item I bought is this beautiful denim shirt. I'm obsessed with denim, can I just say. I love denim, and most of the denim ones which you see in stores are really expensive, so I tend not to buy them. But when I go thrift shopping, I'm like searching, I'm in like a lookout for denim, and I saw this and I was like instant love at first sight. So if you can see, this is like, you know, whitewash a little bit over here, and what I do is I button it up right till the top, and I put up the sleeves. I'll fold it up till here, and then I wear my nerd specs, and it looks really nice. I really like it. So yeah, so the next item is a little more casual. I got this one. It's a pretty pink colored with these sleeves. So I really like these baseball kind of t-shirts, if you notice the pattern. By surprise, bam, a print on the back. Who would have thought? They're like surprising people all the time. So this is a really nice top and I really like it. The material is fine, it's good enough. Next item is one of my favorites. I haven't worn it yet, I'll tell you why exactly. This is a dress. It comes a little middle of my thigh, and it has this really pretty golden zip. The thing is, it is a little deep. You see, it's a little deep. So I haven't worn it yet because I want to figure out how I'll wear this. But I really like it. It has 3/4 of a sleeve and it's really pretty. I will wear this under stockings because I'm not really comfortable with the length. Anyway, so I really like this one. Next item are these shorts. So I usually never wear shorts because I don't feel really comfortable. I'm a pear-shaped body, so I'm heavier on the bottom. So I don't tend to get shorts which are really comfortable for my body type because they're either tight or they are short or something or the other. But these shorts I'm sure was God gifted to me because look at these shorts. They are so beautiful. I don't know why, but the color is a little off-white with beautiful black design. It's really soft and it's so good, and I just really like these shorts. I bought a little size bigger than mine because then it's a little loose on my leg, and I really like that. It's high-waisted, it's not low-waisted, it's high-waisted, and it looks so good. It has pockets and everything, and the material is really nice, the print is really nice, and everything about it is nice. And that's why I love it. I love it. The next item is a little similar to the pink one I showed earlier on, only that the sleeves are floral printed. So it's more little, you can say vintage kind of a feel going on in here. So really nice casual top. It's fancy, it's nice, it's not bad. I like this too. I like everything. That's why I bought it. That makes a lot of sense. The next one is my favorite, like my all-time favorite of them all. It's perfect for winter, and I'll tell you exactly why. Because it has Mickey Mouse on it. Mickey's life. Mickey and I are killing it. So if you can see this print, it has Mickey Mouse on it, and It is so awesome because it is sweater material and it is this really nice green color. It has these studded golden things on the sleeve, on the shoulder, which is perfect. It's so good. It's really funky and it's so good. I mean, I just walk around with it every now and then and it feels really nice. I really like it because who doesn't like Mickey Mouse? Everyone likes Mickey Mouse. The next one is also really good. I really like this. It has a very ombre feel. It has a denim texture in the top and then it fades out to this beautiful color. It's so gorgeous. I really like it. The color is so beautiful. It instantly calms you down. And I love it. I love it. It's Louvre. Like it. Love it. Awesome. The last one is Indian wear. I love Indian wear. I love kurtas and everything else. I think everyone looks so beautiful when they wear Indian clothes. And this is a kurta, which is a beautiful parrot green color. It is like this fluorescent green. So pretty. And look at the print. It has one on the back and it has on the sleeves as well. It's gorgeous. I've worn this once and I've gotten so many compliments for it. It's beautiful. I got this, however, from Andheri, not from Lokhandwala. I got it from Andheri station in the west, from one of the stores. So this is a little expensive, but it's so pretty, so pretty. So now that I'm done with the clothes, I'll move on to the SSS review. That is a street style store website review. So you guys must have seen this ad pop up or ad on Facebook. It was all over in the middle. 2 shoes for $9.99, 3 shoes for $9.99, and I was tempted like anyone else would, and I went to their website, and let me tell you, their collection is fabulous. Like I saw that collection and I was like, oh my god, I need so many of these. So I ended up browsing a lot. I did not want to buy a lot because I wasn't really sure about the website. It was a new website. So I ended up taking 2 for $9.99, and yeah, I'm going to show you these shoes. Before I go ahead, I want to say that the pictures on the website are gorgeous. Like you'll see it and you'll feel like buying them, and that's exactly what happened. But I have to be honest, the pictures are a little misleading. This is the first shoe I bought from the website. This is a picture of it. And here is the actual shoe. It's not that bad honestly, but if you see the lace, it's a little cheap quality. However, even though the picture was misleading, the shoe, if you see it alone, it's not that bad. Okay? If it wasn't for the picture, I wouldn't think that this is really that bad. I like the color. It's not uncomfortable, it's really comfortable. It does not give you a shoe bite. I've never gotten a shoe bite from this. See, the other shoe, the picture is here. The other shoe I got is these. So if you see it, it has lace. It's like a ballet shoe. It's really nice. The picture is not that different from this. Again, with the lace, it's a little cheap, but I think you can replace the lace, it's fine. So another thing I would want to say about SSS is that their collection is mind-blowing. The pictures are mind-blowing, but if you're going to buy from that website, I would recommend you really zoom into the picture to know the material of the shoes or anything else you buy, because the pictures are a little misleading. Second thing is they offer either online payment or cash on delivery, but with cash on delivery, I think you have to pay 50 rupees extra. So I read some of the reviews before buying it, and some of them complained about their delivery coming late or delivery not coming at all. So I opted for the cash on delivery. I paid 50 rupees extra because I wasn't really sure if I pay the online, if I make use of the online payment and it doesn't come. So it's up to you what you want to do, I'm just saying. So would I recommend you buy from there? I wouldn't really say no to it because the shoes are not that bad, although they are a little different from the pictures. But you can try it out. You can try 2 shoes or 3 shoes for $9.99 and check the quality of it. I can't really say much about the durability because I haven't worn them enough, but I guess I'll tell you the next time. So that is my review about SSS, and that was my haul video, the thrift shopping haul video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will be going to some other places soon besides Lokhandwala, so I'll take you along with me. Also, if you like my style and you want to see my Indian wear collection or my dresses like one piece collection, let me know in the comments below. Give this video a thumbs up and let me know. Yeah, so that is all I have for you this week. I'm trying really hard to make videos every week, so please subscribe so that you know you don't miss out on anything. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.